sweat the technique.
Death-defying. Textbook. He's putting it style for miles. Somebody get that to the trucker head. That is a technical point. Oh, good one on the base. Oh, he's still up. Oh, he's still up. One more try. Leave it all on the ramp.
Making I look like a fan. Dude, she looked good. Downside, she had a man, he wasn't a Rudy too. I naked poop. She told me soon your little birdie's gonna fly the coop. She was a flake like corn, and I was born not to understand. By letting her pass, I had proof to be a better man.
Nollie Smith grind on a mini ramp. Backside disaster, backside reaver, switchback Smith. What are those? Frontside grind. Back nose grab, back D. Back Smith proper, popped in. Frontside disaster. Up, Smith grind, nose grab. Oh! Now that's what I'm talking about. There goes Kevin. 1 minute, folks. Frontside nose grab. Oh! Clean disaster. Wow. Yeah! Pops up nose slide. That definitely upped it. Banky crook. Whoa! Most creative skater of the day. Whoa! Whoa! Wow! Wow! Here goes Rich. Whoa! Front 50. Whoa! Lean to tail on the extension. Whole frontal on the extension. Back lip up the extension. Yeah! Whoa! Here goes Ruthless. 1 minute. Frontside rock. Wow! Bin Laden, the little terrorist on the ramp right now. Frontside. Wow! All right, that's time. Nice one. Whoa! Andy Hopgood rolling in. Living up to his name. Yeah. Here we go, rolling in Ryan. Oh, ollie up, ollie off. Backside boneless. Smith grind proper. Sweeper, late tail slap. Back Smith. John Weir, front feeble. Smooth on his feet. Madonna. Loud Madonna. Frontside ollie. Get out. Dylan Clark. Wow. Back Frontside nose blunt. Here goes Ben.
Give me some more. My niggas want the wild shit. Give me some
Indie blunt on the extension.
Give me some more.
Feeble grind
Give
fakie.
me some more. With the cars in the big crib. Give me some more.
Whoa! Tail grab BV. Fakie back Smith. Front Smith. Revert. Whoa! Now that was a trip out.
Talking that shit.
Whoa! The Eric Dieter way. Straight up and down. Yeah, a real frontside pivot fake. The rare one. Oh! Most stalled out. Most stalled out. Fakie, front 50, fakie. 15 seconds. 15 seconds, that's long enough for you to hold a hand plant, Keenan.
The wizard and you look lost like Dorothy.
Big frontside ollie pivot.
Split legs hitting like some double digit eagles.
Oh! Frontside nose.
Now the rappers you like. Severe facts are brought this rap game and it collapse. So as I take flight, the apparatus gets blessed. And suckers get put to rest. No more of the underdog.
Backside ollie.
The whackness is spreading like the plague. MCs locked up and got paid, but still can't make the fuck.
Rolling in, Phil Hansen. He even hit the tail on his groin. Did you see that? Nose grab, back disaster. Frontside boneless. Fakie, switch crook. Backside crook flip. Buttery smooth, little wing tail. Frontside ollie, the whole entire channel. Miller flip. Frontside. No hands. Wow, back tail revert.
Landing on someone's phone.
Hayden, hand plant on the extension. Frontside slash. Backside ollie. Frontside boneless, boned out. Whoa. Right there. Whoa. Ben Cobble with the tail grab body burial. Fakie Smith, back Smith, front Smith. Backside boneless. Backside boneless anywhere, anything, anytime. Yep. Nose stall, tail grab, reaver. Yeah! Big bump! Back 50, back knee. Whoa! Nice one! All right, Keenan. Nice. That's the crowd pleaser right there. Oh! Best salads. Whoa! All right, that's a wrap for the finals for Battle on the Block 2022. Thank you, 35th North, Capitol Hill Block Party, Converse Collins.